CODIGGERS, a branch of ARSSITE. CODIGGER helps to reduce complexity of code and generate new idea for algorithm. So stay with us. Hello boss, so today's we learn to reverse number, alphabet, word or symbol. Let code. So we take two variable, user for taking any input from user, cast is for, if someone give any integer value, then it convert into string, as indexing is not possible in integer or float. Move ahead, let's see some outputs. CODIGGERS, a branch of ARSSITE. Dig code dig big. Don't forget to subscribe ARSSITE.